In this lesson, we are now have the solving of system or solve a system of linear equation by substitution. Learning target: I can solve system of linear equation by substitution and by elimination. So for this part, we will focus first on the substitution method. So here are the 5 steps in solving a system by substitution. Step 1. Solve one of the equations for either variable. So when we say either of the variable, we are to look for the value of x or y. Step 2. Substitute the expression from step 1 into the other equation and solve the resulting equation. Step 3. Substitute the solution from step 3 into one of the original equation to find the other variable. And step 4. Write the equation as an ordered pair. And step 5. Check the ordered pair if it is a solution to the both original equation. So to understand more in these steps, we are to have an example. The example number 1. We have the system of the equation 2x plus y equals 7 and x minus 2y equals 6. So step 1, we are to solve for the value of either of the variable. So hahanap tayo or pipili tayo ng isa sa mga variable na bibigyan natin ng value. So in this case, hindi pa exact yung value ng variable natin. So pwede siyang in expression form. So let's have the equation 1. So when we say equation 1, ito. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So we have x plus y equals 7. So in this case, pipili tayo ng variable na bibigyan natin ng value. So let's try to use the value of y. So to give the value of y, we need to transpose one of the variables. So in this case, yung x ang ita-transpose natin. So we have here y is equal to negative 2x plus 7. So we have now the value of y in expression form, which is negative 2x plus 7. Step 2. We are to substitute the value of x. For step 2, we will substitute the given value or value of x in the other equation. Since we already used equation 1, we are now using or we will now use the equation 2. So let's have equation 2. So equation 2 is x minus 2y equals 6. Now we will substitute the value of y in this part. So we have x minus 2 times negative 2x plus 7. So see, observe, our y now is equal to negative 2x plus 7. So after this, we will distribute the numerical coefficient of y, which is negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2x, we have positive 4x. Negative 2 times positive 7, we have negative 14. And equal to 6. This part will now have the combining like terms or combined like terms. When we say like terms, these are terms with the same variable and number of exponent. So since in this part, x and 4x are like terms, so we can combine this. So we will add. So x plus 4x, this is equal to 5x. While negative 14 is a constant number or a number without any variable, so we cannot add or combine this to 4x and x. So instead, we will transpose sa kabilang side or we will transpose 6 wherein 6 is also a constant number. So they are like terms. So we have now 6 plus 14, 5x is equal to 20 divided by 5 to solve for x. So we have now x is equal to 4. So we have now one of our variable. Step 3. We will substitute the given solution to any of the original equation. So, in this case, pwede na kayong pumili kung saan ang gagamitin nyo. Equation 1 ba or equation 2? Okay, so let's use equation 1. So, we have 2x plus y is equal to 7. In this case, you already have the exact value of x, which is 4. So, we will now substitute 2 times 4 plus y is equal to 7. So, we have now 8 plus y is equal to 7. So, combined like terms, you cannot add y sa 8. So, we will transpose 8 the other side of the equation. So, we have y is equal to 7 plus, minus 8. Kasi, nag-transpose tayo, so mag-change ang sign ng inyong number. So, negative 8 or minus 8. So, we have now the value of y, which is equal to negative 1. Okay, so we already have the value of x and y. So, we can now proceed to step 4, which is writing the system or writing the solution in ordered pair. So, we have now our ordered pair, which is 4 and negative 1. 4 is the value of x and negative 1 is the value of y. So, to check if our solutions are correct, we will substitute the given ordered pair to each of the equation. So, we have equation 1, which is 2y plus 2x rather. 2x plus y is equal to 7. Am I correct? Yes. So, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to negative 1. So, 2 times 4 plus negative 1 is equal to 7. So, we have 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. So, in the first equation, our ordered pair is true. So, sa second, dapat true din ito. So, the second equation is, we have x minus, let me check the given, x minus 2y equals 6. So, x here is 4 minus 2 times negative 1 is equal to 6. So, we have 4. Negative 2 times negative 1, that is positive 2. So, you will add 2 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. So, as you observe, our ordered pairs are true in both equations.